Magandang araw kabole. Sa video na ito kabole, it's time for us to give our prediction about this upcoming finals. Dito nga po sa Commissioner's Cup kabole between TNT and Ginebra. A rematch kabole, a rematch that can determine what the future holds. So may di pa na-subscribe, pakipindot naman yung subscription button. Comments muna tayo ng mga fans. Anthony Alon, SMB! Sabi niya dito kabole. Regarding po dito kay Chris Banchero, so gusto niya sa SMB daw, mapunta po si Banchero. I think may possibility yan, kabola, may connection yan eh. Although may rumor dati na parang may nagka-issue eh, ang San Miguel or SMC with dito nga po kay Chris Banchero. Pa-shoutout sir, sabi ni Ronald Berbusidad. Malyari Mascareñas, pa-shoutout idol, pa-shoutout ang team ko sa media support sa Supreme Court of the Philippines. Regards to SMB, hintayin na lang right now, gumagalaw na sila. Sabi naman niya kabola, ganun Jello. Si Arian, natural magrereklamo, may mali nga eh. Hindi naman si Shiwaji yung tipo ng tao, mananahimik. Magsasawa lang kibo sa mga ganyang sitwasyon. Palibasa karamihan sa Malpino. Walang prinsipyo na kahit man eh, pinangatwirang tama. Aba, natatiming itong banat. Nitong si Boss Jello, si Arian. Mga Pilipino daw, walang prinsipyo na kahit man eh, pinangatwirang tama. Kabole. So, akin lang kabole kung I hope you are smart. I mean, marami po mga fans ang wise or smart that will hear this opinion, kabola. Let us not blame the Filipinos, kabola, who are not in agreement with what you think is the right political opinion, kabola. Just remember this reality. All these political functions are trying their best to evolve the narrative, to write the narrative that will suit up, kabola, that will present something to these people that they will eat and consume, kabola, para sila po yung suportahan. Ayop nagigets natin yan, kabola. Huwag nyo pong iput yung blame sa mga taong ito, kabola. They are just being, in a way, manipulated, kabola. And, of course, not all of us have the intellectual capacity to see that right away, have that time to analyze things, kabola, di ba? So, please, di ba? Now, ano pa hinihintay natin, kabola? It's time to talk about this one, kabola. Panahon na po para pag-usapan natin ito pong finals. So, itong finals natin, it will be very, very different from the finals from last Governor's Cup. Yes, the imports are the same. It's still Brownie, kabola, at saka itong si RHJ. Pero, ayun, sa TNT, walang Castro. That's a very, very big, in a way, na kawalan, kabola, for TNT. Diba? Yung kawalan po ng isang Jason Castro. And then, of course, dito po sa Ginebra, meron na po silang Rosario. Although, of course, si Rosario kabola, mukhang injury at the beginning. Then, bumalik na po si Malonzo. That's, again, another big addition, kabola. Diba? So, with all of those additions, kabola, and changes, dun pa lang sa lineup, malaki na, kabola, yung, kumbaga, difference ito from what we saw dun po sa Commissioners as a Governor's Cup, kabola. So, TNT won that series dun sa Governor's Cup. Ang tanong ngayon, what will happen to Commissioners Cup, kabola? Actually, this is, again, a very hard one to predict, kabola. Ginebra is impressive in the semis, kabola. TNT is also impressive in the semis. Pero, for me, it boils down to, just little things, kumbaga, kabola. Little things, kabola. Yung injury for me ni Castro, that's a very big one. Kasi he's a point guard. Alam naman natin kung gano'ng kalaki po ang role ng point guard sa isang offensive flow, kabola. Then, add the shakiness of the Ramadan po. Of course, very religious dyan. Si RH, or sabi niya, kabola, willing naman siya. May abandon yun, kabola, if talagang need na. Pero still, diba, the part na hindi pa niya na-abandon, yung play niya apektado. Then the addition of Malonzo, kabola. Ngayon, if you combine, kabola, I just have just a little bit, diba? Around 2 fingers sizes, kabola, na mas angat or mas tamang piliin dito or predict na mananalo ang Ginebra. So, kabola, sa palagay mo, Ginebra bang mananalo? Kami lang po sa baba.